put another one in. She put another one in?
Can you get him out?
Did you get it?
Get him on out. Reach in there.
Mommy, get one? You want to put it back in? You put the fish in the aquarium? Huh? Whoa.
No, I got them already. Thank you, though. Holy crap.
Oh, is that fun? Is that fun? Hey, Grandma, thank you very much. I love my new aquarium. Yay!